No. Don't even think about it, mister. Don't even think about it. No, no, stop it. I keep telling you to stop pecking at these socks. You know I normally have to wear big socks because you poo on the floor and I don't want to stand in your poo. But these ones have got little grips on the bottom that you keep trying to eat. Hey, come on. Stop playing with me. You will just try and get to every... Ugh. I'm trying to watch something on my phone and you're just adamant to want to eat these socks. I can't have them eat them because they've got some like groove bits on the bottom that come off if you pull on them. So I have to be very careful when he's around because he bites at them. I haven't ever seen him eat one though, so I feel confident that he's alright, but he tends to like trying to pull on things like that. And no matter how I try and communicate it to him, he just looks at me as if to say, "What, me? You can't expect me to have done something bad?" Yeah, this is Kevin, by the way. He's literally the only bird who I can normally trust 100%, unless I have these socks on. And he just keeps trying to go at them. See? Stop it. Hey! Normally I don't mind you playing with my feet, but I don't want you to hurt yourself. There you go, you play on the carpet. Have some seeds. There we go. Let me get back to watching my video. Hope you're having a lovely day.